Many organisations are stepping up their carbon reduction commitment to help the UK meet its critical carbon reduction targets. And CUH's second Green Plan sets out how we will be making our contribution. One way or another, we all share accountability for the changing climate and the wider environmental crisis unfolding around us. By cutting our baseline direct carbon emissions by 13%, we not only help mitigate the impact of climate change and build resilience, but also achieve substantial financial savings of nearly £500,000 through efficient management of our utilities, devices and medicines. One notable improvement that enabled this to happen was through working out across clinical and engineering teams to replace our aging nitrous oxide network with mobile cylinders, and this reduced our losses of nitrous oxide, wastage and cost. As we aim for a 50% reduction in carbon emissions by 2032, the achievement of our initial plan serves as a powerful testament to the impact of innovative and cross-departmental collaboration. As a trust, we cannot change that the climate is changing on our own. But what we can change are aspects of the consumption choices that we make that contribute to this. Choices that can be reshaped to lessen the environmental impact and build positive resilience.
We must act now to ensure that we are in a sustainable financial position in the future and to ensure that we can and will achieve our Green Plan. The steps we take today will impact our ability to deliver in the future.